Hey guys, this is Mindpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the LG IMS service that has stopped working. So what is the LG IMS service? The LG IMS service is a service that is specifically available on LG devices. These are both Android devices and the Android TV devices. So what the LG IMS service do is that it gives your devices both the feature of VoLTE services and the Wi-Fi features. This helps you getting the network connectivity at the best. These are available on almost all LG IMS devices. So what's the issue that is coming up with it? Unfortunately, it is showing that the LG IMS service has stopped working. This issue occurs when you switch from your Wi-Fi networks to your mobile network. So can you fix this issue? Yes, definitely you can fix this issue. Let's check this issue out on the Gossipfunda website. Here is the complete detailed article that you can check out. The link will be in the description. You can check out the article. Let's see the first steps that you can do. So at first, you can uninstall the programs. The first step that you can do is uninstalling the recently downloaded apps or updated apps. This may solve the issue. Let's check out the next technique. The next technique is to change the IP version of your device. So open your phone dialer and call 277-634 ###. Then you will open the hidden menu of your phone. Tap on the IP version and from the IPv6v4 convert it to IPv4v6. This should solve the issue at most. If you still have the problems occurring up, then you can do a simple thing. You can factory reset your phone. To do this, go to the device settings and then click on your generals tab, and then in the backup and reset, factory reset your device. This surely solve the issue that is coming up. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel for more amazing content. Also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing insights on this topic. Thank you.